are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, bucket seats, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.